Types of production function. Which of the following best describes a production function? The relationship between input and output. In a short run production function, which factor is considered variable? Labor. Which of the following is an example of long run production function? Cobb-Douglas production function. The law of variable proportions is applicable in the short run. Which of the following production functions assumes constant elasticity of substitution? CES, constant elasticity of substitution production function. A production function with fixed input proportions is known as Leontief production function. In a Cobb-Douglas production function, the sum of the exponents indicates the nature of returns to scale. When output increases in the same proportion as input, it is called constant returns to scale. The production function Q equal to AK infinitive LB is an example of Cobb-Douglas production function. The law of dimensioning returns applies when one input is fixed while other vary. The isoquant curve represents different combinations of two inputs given the same level of output. A production function where one input can be substituted for another at a constant rate is called linear production function. Which type of production function is used in empirical studies for analyzing productivity? Cobb-Douglas production function. In a long run production function, all factors of production are variable. Which production function assumes no substitution between inputs? Leontief production function. If alpha plus beta greater than 1 in a Cobb-Douglas production function, the returns to scale are increasing. In a short run production function, increasing marginal returns occur when each additional input increases output at an increasing rate. Which of the following production function is characterized by a constant marginal rate of technical substitution? Linear production function. If an increase in input results in a less than proportional increase in output, the firm is experiencing decreasing returns to scale. Which of the following best describes the purpose of production function? To determine the most efficient input output combination.